Hey friends, if you encounter potential Windows Update database error detected in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane you can scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution will be to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script here. Simply copy the script and search for command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will rename the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.